Welcome to this video on loading Legend 2-part L8 thermal labels. Open the printer. Then open the ribbon carriage by pressing the catch shown here by the yellow arrow. Carefully move the media guide and the upper sensor all the way to the right. Now, using your thumb and index finger, move the lower sensor until its left edge is lined up with the edge of the black block. With the upper sensor arm lifted and the box carrying the blank labels sitting behind the printer, feed these blank labels through to the front of the printer. Ensure the edge of the label carrier lines up with the edge of this black arrow. Then, gently lower the sensor arm. Carefully slide the upper sensor until its white arrow aligns with the white marking on the lower sensor. It should look like this, shown in the yellow box. Now, using your index finger and thumb, move the media guide across to secure the labels in place, and it should look like this. Before starting to print, ensure the ribbon carriage dials are correct. These settings are shown in the printer dialog box in your L8s software. With the ribbon carriage open, carefully turn the dials to the appropriate settings and then close the ribbon carriage and you're ready to print. This setup demonstration has shown a 110mm wide ribbon which can be used for all our thermal labels. To help reduce costs and reduce waste, depending on the type of label being printed, we offer narrower width ribbons. The L8 range can also be printed with our 60mm wide ribbon. In your printer dialog box, you'll see suggestions for which ribbon widths can be used with the labels you're printing. Have a look at the Fox in a Box printer setup video or the dedicated ribbon setup video to see how to load the 3 ribbon widths. Remember that when you leave the printer overnight or for long periods and labels are loaded in it, you should keep the ribbon carriage open. When moving the printer, ensure the spindles and the ribbon are removed from the ribbon carriage. You can store these in the well behind the ribbon carriage. Fox in a Box can print all Silver Fox's thermal labels for a range of applications using one software, one printer and one ribbon.
At the end of each print run, your labels will automatically feed out of the printer. The next time you print, the blank labels automatically roll back into the printer. The advanced and professional versions of the software include this unique rollback functionality, saving you money on labels and helping to reduce waste in the environment.
Fox in a Box's L8s Innovator software lets you print our laser labels on a laser printer. Other options include printing our Legend non-shrink tubing via the Fox in a Box printer, then using a mounting bar to produce tie-on cable labels. Or, using a laser printer, you can print ProLab polyester A4 self-adhesive sheets. If you need any further help or information, please contact the Silver Fox support team. We now offer support via WhatsApp, where you can send photos, screen dumps, and even videos. We also offer TeamViewer, so we can show you on your PC how to work best with your software. Thank you for choosing Silver Fox.